If you had to decide right now what counts as alive, what would you use? Movement? Breathing? Growth? Those fail fast. Fire moves and grows. Crystals grow. So biology uses something better, a checklist. In this video, the 9 rules anything alive must follow. Think of these as a diagnostic lens. If something truly counts as life, it will match all 9. If it matches some but not all, it might be lifelike, but not fully alive. Rule 1. All living things are made of cells. A bacterium is one cell doing everything. A human is trillions of cells working together. But in both cases, the cell is the basic functional unit. No cells, no life. Rule 2. Life contains DNA information stored as a molecule. DNA tells cells what proteins to make and when to make them. Those proteins build structures, run reactions, and control behavior. Life isn't just chemistry. It's chemistry guided by stored instructions. Rule 3. Life reproduces. Sometimes by copying itself, one cell splitting into 2. Sometimes by combining genetic material from 2 parents. Either way, life makes more life. Non-living things don't produce offspring from their own internal instructions. Rule 4. Life is organized and complex. Not messy complexity, structured complexity. Atoms become molecules. Molecules form cells. Cells form tissues. Tissues build organs. Organs build organisms. Life is layered organization, guided by information. Rule 5. Life responds. Living things sense changes and react: light, temperature, chemicals, touch, danger, food. Response doesn't have to be fast. It just has to be real. Sensing plus adjustment. Rule 6. Life extracts energy from its surroundings and uses it to stay alive. That whole process is metabolism. Plants capture energy from sunlight and store it in sugars. Animals and many other organisms break down those sugars to make usable energy molecules. No energy flow, no life. Rule 7. Homeostasis. Life keeps internal conditions within strict limits: temperature, hydration, acidity, and more so, reactions can keep working. Mammals sweat to cool down and shiver to warm up. Reptiles shift between sun and shade. The method varies. The requirement doesn't. Rule 8. Living things grow. Single-celled organisms grow as the cell gets larger up to a limit. Multicellular organisms grow mainly by increasing cell number through cell reproduction. Growth is part of the life cycle. Rule 9. Living things can be systematically classified. Life forms fall into groups based on shared properties. Classification is not trivia, it's a way of organizing knowledge so we can talk about life accurately and predictably. Now you can see why quick definitions fail. Fire grows and consumes energy, but it has no cells and no DNA-based self-replication. Crystals can grow and be highly ordered, but they don't run metabolism or maintain internal conditions. Some things blur the edges, but the checklist keeps you honest. Life is not one feature. It's a package. Cells carrying DNA, using energy, maintaining stability, reproducing, responding, growing, staying organized, and fitting into a systematic map of living kinds. Subscribe for more interesting videos. Which rule surprised you most, and what did you used to think made something alive?